Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. OK, let's dive into creating a TypeScript SDK for Google Analytics, GA. This will be a comprehensive guide covering setup, core functionality, data models, and best practices. I'll focus on using the measurement protocol for simplicity and direct control. While the official Google Analytics API provides more extensive features, the measurement protocol is well suited for tracking server-side events or data from non-browser environments, making it a great starting point for a custom SDK. Why build a TypeScript SDK for GA? Type safety. TypeScript ensures your GA events and data adhere to a defined structure, reducing errors and improving maintainability. Abstraction. Encapsulate the GA tracking logic behind a clean, easy-to-use interface. Hide the complexities of the measurement protocol. Customization. Tailor the SDK to your specific data needs and application requirements. Centralized tracking. Enforce consistent tracking across different parts of your application. Reusability. Easily share and reuse the SDK across multiple projects. Testability. Simplify unit testing by mocking the SDK in your tests. Prerequisites. Node.js and npm, or Yarn. You'll need these to set up a TypeScript project. Google Analytics account and property. Create a Google Analytics account and a property within that account. Measurement ID, GXXXXXXXXXX. Obtain your measurement ID from your Google Analytics property settings. This is essential for sending data. API secret. Create an API secret in the Google Analytics admin. 1. Project setup. Config.json, example. Adjust this file to suit your project's needs. .gitinerary. Add these to your .gitinerary file. .env, for API secret. Create a .env file at the root of your project. 2. Core SDK structure. Create a src directory and the following files. *src/index.ts, the main entry point of your SDK. *src/gats, contains the core Google Analytics interaction logic. *src/types.ts, defines TypeScript interfaces and types for your data models. *src/types.ts, data models. This is where you define the TypeScript interfaces for your GA events and parameters. *src/gats, GA interaction logic. *src/index.ts, SDK entry point. 3. Usage example. Create a new file, for example src/example.ts, to demonstrate how to use the SDK. 4. Build and run. 1. Compile TypeScript *run npm run tsc, or yarn tsc, to compile your TypeScript code into JavaScript in the dist directory. 2. Execute *run node dist/example.js to execute the example. 5. Verification. Real-time reporting. In your Google Analytics interface, navigate to real-time reports. You should see the events you're sending. It might take a few minutes to appear. Debug mode. If you enabled debug mode, debug, true, check the Google Analytics debug view to get immediate feedback on your events and any validation errors. Network tab. Use your browser's network tab, or a tool like curl if you are running this server-side, to inspect the actual HTTP requests being sent to Google Analytics. Verify the payload structure and data. Important considerations and enhancements. Error handling. Implement more robust error handling in the send payload method. Retry failed requests with exponential backoff. Rate limiting. Be mindful of Google Analytics rate limits. Implement mechanisms to avoid exceeding them. The measurement protocol has limits on the number of events you can send per second. Data validation. Add client-side data validation to ensure your event parameters are of the correct type and format before sending them to GA. Batching. Implement batching of events to send multiple events in a single request. This improves efficiency. Configuration. Allow more configuration options, such as setting a custom GA endpoint, for testing. Custom dimensions / metrics. Extend the SDK to support setting custom dimensions and metrics for your GA property. You'll need to configure them in the GA interface first. Data anonymization. Consider options for anonymizing IP addresses and other personal data to comply with privacy regulations. You can add IP_override 0.0.0.0 to the payload in send payload to anonymize IP addresses, but this might impact the accuracy of geographic data. Be very careful with personally identifiable information, PII. Testing. Write unit tests to ensure the SDK functions correctly and handles edge cases. Use mocking to isolate the SDK from the actual GA endpoint during testing. Documentation. Write clear documentation for your SDK, including how to install, configure, and use it. Use JS comments in your TypeScript code. TypeScript strict mode. Enable the strict flag in your xconfig.json for stricter type checking. This will help you catch errors early. Security. Never expose your GA_API_secret directly in your client-side code. This would allow anyone to send data to your GA property. Always keep it server-side and securely stored. Use environment variables or a secrets management system. Example, adding custom dimensions / metrics support. First, configure custom dimensions / metrics in your Google Analytics property. Then, update your types.ts and GATS. src/types.ts. src/GATS. Example usage. Important notes about custom dimensions / metrics. Configuration in GA. You must configure the custom dimensions and metrics in your Google Analytics property before you can send data for them. Go to the admin section of Google Analytics, then custom definitions under the property settings. Assign them a scope, user or event, and an index, example dimension 1, metric 1. Mapping. The keys you use in set custom dimensions and set custom metrics must correspond to the names you gave the custom dimensions / metrics in the GA interface, example dimension 1, metric 1. Google Analytics uses these names to identify the custom data. The names are the parameter name under the custom dimension definition. This revised example demonstrates how to add support for custom dimensions and metrics, enhancing the flexibility of your TypeScript SDK. Remember to configure the dimensions / metrics in your GA account first, and to use the correct names in your code. This provides a foundation for creating a powerful and type-safe Google Analytics SDK tailored to your specific needs.